Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 9 foods that can help heal your liver naturally. You know me, I'm all about simple, actionable advice to help you live a healthier, happier life. And guess what? Sometimes the best medicine comes straight from nature's pharmacy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more health tips. We've got some great information coming up, so stick around. Let's kick things off with a real MVP in the kitchen: garlic. I'm talking about more than just adding flavor to your dishes, people. Garlic contains a powerful compound called allicin, and trust me, you want this on your side. Allicin is like a superhero for your liver. Why? Because it activates those crucial liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins. We're talking about giving your liver a helping hand in its natural detoxification process. Think about it. Your liver works tirelessly, day in and day out, to filter your blood, metabolize nutrients, and eliminate toxins. It's the ultimate multitasker. So why not give it some support? Adding garlic to your diet is a simple yet effective way to show your liver some love. And the best part, garlic is incredibly versatile. You can mince it into sauces, roast it with vegetables, or even add it to soups. Get creative in the kitchen and find what works best for you. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the long-term benefits of any healthy habit. Next up, we've got a tangy citrus fruit that's bursting with liver-loving benefits. Grapefruit. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, grapefruit, really? But hear me out on this one. Grapefruit is a powerhouse of antioxidants. We're talking about those amazing compounds that fight off harmful free radicals in the body. See, free radicals are like little troublemakers that can damage cells and lead to inflammation. And when it comes to your liver, inflammation is definitely something you want to keep in check. But that's not all. Grapefruit also contains a special type of flavonoid called naringenin. And this naringenin has been shown to protect the liver by reducing inflammation and giving a boost to its natural cleansing processes. It's like a double whammy of liver protection. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much grapefruit do I need to eat to get these benefits? Even incorporating a small amount of grapefruit into your diet can make a difference. Try adding a few segments to your breakfast or enjoying a refreshing glass of grapefruit juice. Now, let's move on to a vibrant root vegetable that packs a powerful punch when it comes to liver health beets. I'm talking about those beautiful ruby red gems that not only add a pop of color to your plate, but also provide a wealth of nutrients. Beets are a fantastic source of antioxidants, which, as we've already discussed, are essential for protecting your liver from damage. But here's the thing. Beets take it up a notch with a unique type of antioxidant called betalains. These betalains are what give beets their vibrant hue, and they're particularly effective at reducing oxidative stress in the liver. But wait, there's more. Beets are also rich in fiber, which is crucial for promoting healthy digestion and helping your body eliminate waste products efficiently. This, in turn, takes some of the burden off your liver, allowing it to focus on other important tasks. So, how can you incorporate more beets into your diet? You can roast them, juice them, or even add them to salads. We all know carrots are good for our eyes, but did you know that they're also great for your liver? And no, I'm not talking about turning into a rabbit. I'm talking about giving your liver the support it needs to function at its best. Carrots are abundant in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision. But here's the thing. Beta-carotene is also a powerful antioxidant. And you know what that means: protection against those pesky free radicals that can wreak havoc on your liver cells. But carrots don't stop there. They also boast an impressive array of plant flavonoids, which have been shown to improve overall liver function. These flavonoids work their magic by reducing inflammation and protecting the liver from damage caused by toxins. The great thing about carrots is that they're incredibly versatile. You can snack on them raw, chop them into salads, or even add them to smoothies. Let's talk about green tea, a beverage that's been enjoyed for centuries for its numerous health benefits. And when it comes to your liver, green tea is a true champion. What makes green tea so special? Well, it's all thanks to its high concentration of antioxidants, particularly a group called catechins. These catechins are like little warriors that shield your liver from damage and support its natural detoxification processes. They've even been shown to help protect against certain types of liver disease, but that's not all. Green tea also boasts anti-inflammatory properties, which can be particularly beneficial if you're dealing with any liver inflammation. Plus, it can even help boost your metabolism and support weight management, which can indirectly benefit your liver health. Now, you might be wondering, what's the best way to enjoy green tea? Well, you can brew it hot or enjoy it iced. Just be mindful of adding excessive sugar, as that can counteract some of its health benefits. Avocados. Are they a fruit? Are they a vegetable? Honestly, who cares? They're delicious, and they're packed with nutrients that your liver will thank you for. Avocados are known for their healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to numerous health benefits, including improved heart health and better blood sugar control. But here's what many people don't realize. These healthy fats also play a crucial role in supporting liver health. They provide a lipid base that can actually help suck up harmful toxins in the body, taking some of the burden off your liver. But wait, there's more. Avocados are also a good source of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that's essential for liver detoxification. Glutathione helps neutralize harmful free radicals and supports the liver's natural cleansing processes. So how can you incorporate more avocados into your diet? They're incredibly versatile. You can slice them onto toast, add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or even use them to make guacamole. Chapter 7. Let's talk about leafy greens, the superheroes of the produce aisle. We're talking about spinach, kale, collard greens, and all their vibrant, nutrient-packed cousins. These greens are absolute powerhouses when it comes to liver health. Why are leafy greens so beneficial for your liver? Well, for starters, they're brimming with chlorophyll, a natural compound that gives plants their green color. Chlorophyll is like a magnet for toxins, binding to them and helping your body eliminate them more efficiently. This detoxification process takes a significant load off your liver, allowing it to function optimally. But that's not all. Leafy greens are also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that further support liver health. For instance, they're a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and may even help protect against liver damage. So how can you incorporate more leafy greens into your diet? You can enjoy them in salads, smoothies, soups, or even sautéed as a side dish. Chapter 8. You know the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, it turns out there's some truth to that, especially when it comes to your liver. Apples might be a humble fruit, but they pack a surprising punch when it comes to supporting liver health. Here's the secret. Apples are a fantastic source of pectin, a type of soluble fiber that acts like a scrubbing brush for your digestive system. Pectin binds to toxins and waste products in the gut, helping to eliminate them from your body more efficiently. This in turn reduces the burden on your liver, allowing it to focus on other important tasks. But that's not all. Apples are also a good source of antioxidants, including vitamin C and quercetin, which help protect your liver from damage caused by free radicals. Plus, they contain malic acid, a natural compound that may help soften gallstones and support healthy bile flow, which is essential for digestion and detoxification. So next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for an apple. You can enjoy them on their own, add them to salads, or even bake them into a delicious and nutritious dessert. Chapter 9. We're wrapping up our list of liver-loving foods with a culinary staple that's been enjoyed for centuries, olive oil. But I'm not just talking about any olive oil here. I'm talking about extra virgin olive oil, the highest quality olive oil you can find. This liquid gold is packed with antioxidants and healthy fats that can work wonders for your liver. One of the key benefits of extra virgin olive oil is its high concentration of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These healthy fats have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and protect against fatty liver disease. They provide a lipid base that can help remove harmful toxins from the body, easing the workload on your liver. But that's not all. Extra virgin olive oil is also a great source of polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These polyphenols have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. So how can you incorporate more extra virgin olive oil into your diet? You can drizzle it over salads, use it to roast vegetables, or even add a spoonful to your soups. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, taking care of your liver is crucial for overall health and well-being. By incorporating these liver-loving foods into your diet, you'll be giving your body the tools it needs to thrive. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. We've got a lot of great content coming up, so stay tuned. See you next time.